Hey Divi Nation, and welcome to the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away 2 free Divi Layout Packs. And for the first layout pack this week, Kenny and our design team have created for you a powerful construction company layout pack. This layout pack has all the pages you need and more for promoting your construction services online. And the professional and modern design is sure to boost the reputation of your company and put you a step ahead of the competition. Complete with a services page, a project page, and a portfolio page, this pack has the tools you need to build a beautiful construction company website. And go ahead and join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this layout pack on your own website. Now, before you can access pre-made layout packs on the Divi Builder, you're going to first need to authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription. And to do that, you're going to want to go over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Divi Theme Options. And then click on the Updates tab. There you can enter your username and API key. After that, click Save Changes. And after that, you're ready to start creating your new pages with their corresponding layouts. To do that, go ahead and go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, and deploy the Visual Builder. You'll be prompted with 3 options for building your page. Go ahead and choose the one that says Choose a Pre-Made Layout. This will automatically load the Load from Library pop-up, where you can look under the Pre-Made Layouts tab and scroll through the layout packs to find the new layout. Once you find the construction company layout pack, click on it. There you'll see a preview of all of the page layouts available in the pack on the right, with a preview of the specific page layout on the left. Simply click the page layout that you want, and then down here below the preview, click on the button that says Use this layout. Once the layout is loaded on the page, don't forget to publish it. After that, you're going to want to continue this process to create all 9 pages with their corresponding layouts. Next, you're going to want to go ahead and create a new primary menu for your website. To do that, we're going to go back to our WordPress dashboard. Then we're going to navigate to Appearance, Menus. To create a new menu, go ahead and give your menu a name. Click the Create Menu button. On the left, you'll see a list of all the pages that you've created. Go ahead and select all, and then add those to your menu by clicking the Add to Menu button. Once the menu items have been loaded under your menu structure area, go ahead and organize them however you like, and then make sure and set your display location as primary menu, and then click Save Menu. And one last step is you're going to want to add a static home page for your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your homepage displays, go ahead and select the option A Static Page. And then for your homepage, select the homepage that you created with the corresponding homepage layout. After that, click Save Changes. Now your new layout pack is up and running and ready for you to edit. And don't forget to check out our next layout pack, which should be released on Friday. We sure do look forward to seeing you in our next video. Take care.